Hi, I'm Maggie McCauley of Wholehearted Parenting, here with 3 reasons for you to consider attending our final workshop of 2024, Trust Yourself. Trust is vital and foundational in all of our relationships, even the one that you have with yourself. Reason number 1 to consider attending: trusting yourself will enhance your resilience. Reason number 2, self-trust will enhance your confidence. Reason number 3, self-trust will assist you with making smoother decisions. So if that sounds good to you, enhance confidence, greater resilience, and smoother decision-making, please visit the link at the top of the page here, and you'll find all the information that you need. Trust Yourself, the workshop is happening on a Tuesday evening, October the 29th. And as of this recording, we have only 3 spaces left. I hope one of them will be filled by you. Thanks.